Having implemented Employment Hero Payroll for over 1,000 Australian businesses, we've developed the most efficient way to manage employee tags. Today we're going to show you a straightforward approach to applying tags that saves hours of administrative work. In this video we'll cover how to understand and use relevant tags, applying tags to individual employees, our efficient method for bulk tag application, and tips for organising your employee tags. I'm going to navigate to Payroll Settings, and I'm going to open up tags here, which is under the pay conditions heading. Tags have different functionality, and I'm not going to go through all of them because there's going to be different tags based off of whatever awards you have installed and which ones are going to be relevant. So in this system, I have a lot of tags that are created because I have a lot of awards installed. A lot of our businesses are using the SHADS award, and if that was the case, the only 3 tags that are very relevant for you guys would be uniform allowance, laundry allowance, and first aid allowance. And what these tags do, once you have assigned an employee a tag, it's going to calculate and add that allowance to their pay each pay run, each fortnight or each week. So for example, if an employee is entitled to first aid allowance, you just need to make sure to tag them with the first aid allowance tag, and then it's going to calculate whatever their costing of first aid allowance is from week to week, based off of 1 unit of first aid allowance per hour worked. And so you can apply tags in bulk by coming into this tag section in here. And we're going to use first aid allowance as an example. I have first aid in here. And it should show the number of employees that have assigned this tag. You can click on that number, and that's going to show you a list of all of your employees. If you needed to assign that to other employees, you can just tick that on their files. And then you can just click on the X, and that will save the first aid allowance tag onto their file going forward. Now, if you wanted to apply the first aid allowance tag to just one individual employee, you can do that in here, or you can navigate to the employee file. And in their employee details screen, you can scroll down to the bottom here and you can apply the tag in there. And that would be how you would apply tags. I would always recommend, we do send out a tag guide when you go live. So I would definitely recommend to brush up on that, have a look to make sure all of your employees have whatever tags they should be entitled to, so that they are earning the allowances that they should.